Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Let us see what is coming up, guys. Virgos, King of Pentacles, Strength, King of Swords, Virgos. With these cards, I feel in this relationship or in your work, you are in a really happy place. You have what you want in life, the position in your work, good yearning, and how things are manifesting. You have a happy family, home, everything, guys. And in this relationship with this person, you are having that deep connection with this person, contentment, and you trust each other. There is mutual love and understanding, and you have great compatibility, intimacy in this relationship, guys. And you're feeling really confident for how things are manifesting in your life, courageous, and you have that what to say, you feel that inspiration to take charge of your life, to go to your go towards your goal, whatever you want to achieve. Or maybe for some of you all, you have proposed to this person and you're taking the next step of action. Maybe you're getting engaged, maybe you're getting married, and you're making the arrangements for the celebration, something of that sort, guys. And you're really confident today, and you feel love, affection, and attraction in this relationship towards this person. And even in your work, you have a great what to say, great things happening in your work. So you're feeling really confident today and courageous to take up your vision into work. So whatever it is, Virgos. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards here, guys. Love, heart, anchor, stock. Virgos, maybe for some of you all, you, just like I said, you are going to the next step, maybe marriage or proposal. Or if you like this person, you are going to propose to them today. That may also be the energy here, guys. And this relationship has a very good understanding. You have mutual understanding, love, and you share a great compatibility, guys, and intimacy is there in your relationship. Maybe for some of you all, you feel that happiness because of what is happening in life, guys. The way you have achieved in your personal life or in your professional life, and you're feeling happy for the success, some kind of victory, and you feel you have reached your destiny safely. So these responsibilities, whatever it is just bringing you more happiness, and you're feeling very content and happy of how things are going. Maybe for some of you all, you may be starting on a new venture, a new kind of business, something of that sort, guys. Or you may be starting a family together, moving in together with this person. Or you may be planning to have a child or start a family, or some kind of improvements you are doing in your life, maybe in your house, some kind of improvements, some changes in your home decor, something positive, or in your workplace, something like that, guys. And you are getting beautiful results, whatever you want to get, whatever you want to manifest. So it is a time of great change and transformation, guys. Whatever you need it is actually coming your way, and you're feeling really positive for that, guys, for this new season of changes that is happening today. And you are feeling very responsible, guys, in this relationship, and you feel you have made a place for yourself in your life, in the society you live, wherever you are. You have defined your your place, and people look up to you for what you have achieved. So you're feeling really happy for how things are falling into place, guys. So that is the energy here with these cards, Virgos. Let us see what is the angels guidance for us today, guys. Love. So with this angels guidance card, guys, this relationship is definitely has great mutual love and respect, and joy is there. So true love in any relationship is not about possession. It is not about how you control the other person. It is about how you have a heartfelt compassion for that person, and how you give them freedom in your relationship to think and decide for themselves, and love unconditionally, guys. So that is true love, and have that respect and caring and accepting things they do or they say, with a deep connection with the other person, with deep love, and having a strong sense of belonging in your relationship. So that is true love, guys. So when you experience that true love, we automatically overcome the past hurts, whatever hurt we felt in the past, or this person you are in love with, they would have felt. So when you love unconditionally, you just overcome and heal yourself and heal your person. So you just benefit from this relationship when you're totally in love. So that is what the angels are guiding us today with, Virgos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. So the overall energy is that you are planning to start a family with this person you love, guys. So a very happy day for you all, Virgos. That is the reading for today, Virgos. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.